Good. Hey guys, Rich Morris with STABILA. Today we're on a job site, and what we're doing is we're plumbing up walls. We're getting the first floor framed, then we're going to jump up to the second floor and start our walls on the second floor. What I want to show you guys is the plate level, why it's so important. We're doing plate to plate rough framing construction. Should be in everybody's gang box. This here is our 7 to 12 plate level. What I want to show you is a few things that we have built into this level. What we're trying to do, we're trying to establish a plumb wall, top to bottom. We call it plate to plate. The bottom plate and the top plate, we want to line up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to extend my plate level. As you can see, we have numbers on both sides. What this allows me to do is set the proper height. Plate to plate, we're 9'2". I'm going to lock it in at 9'2", and as you lock it, what it does, it puts the proper camber on the standout. So this way it's perfectly in line. As you watch, as I go ahead and plumb up this wall, you'll see the bottom and the top are firmly placed on the plate to plate. So now that we've set our plate level and locked it in at a 9'2" wall, top plate to bottom plate, you can see the standoffs. What the standoffs do is allow you to go around a stud. So if this level was to fall exactly where we had a stud, the standoffs let you go around it. So you're not going in line. You're not putting your level up against a crown or a bow of the stud. It's a great feature, and they're removable. There's other systems where they're permanently mounted. It's hard for you to go from your standoffs to a regular plate level or a spirit level. So it makes it easy on, easy off. Goes around your sway braces, and I'll show you what that means when I say to go around a sway brace. Let's take a look at that. So here you can show what a sway brace is. What you can see is to stop the wall from racking, what we'll do is we'll go ahead and set one of these sway braces. We'll get this panel squared up on the ground. Of course, this is an interior partition wall. It's not sheathed. The reason being, we have mechanical trades, electrician, plumber, everybody's got to get in the wall. So we don't have that option. So we've got to put these sway braces on because we can't put our sheathing on. So here you go. Now you can see how this plate level works with those standoffs on there. The other thing what you want to do is look at our vial placement. It's placed right at eye height, so we can check that. Great viewability, easy to read. Nice, crisp, clean vials. What's unique about all STABILA levels is our bonding system. The monolithic block that secures those vials ensure that you're going to have accuracy for life. These are permanently bonded to the frame itself. This is going to avoid any shifting or movement on a job site. We know there's going to be a few slip-ups. When you're done doing your tall walls, lower the extension arm back down. If the level was accidentally to slide down a wall, it's not going to break. It's going to be okay. Thanks, guys. Rich Morris with STABILA.